Hey guys, what is going on? Today I'm going to be doing a full review on the ExpressVPN in 2020, guys. This is my honest opinion, and I'm going to help you guys make a decision on if you should purchase it or not. And by the end of this video, you will know if you think it's a good VPN or not, guys. So yeah, I'm going to hop on my PC and show you guys the full application of the ExpressVPN, guys, and I'll see you all there right now. Alright guys, so now we're back on the PC, and now I'm going to show you guys all expressvpn.com, and then I'm going to get right into the application, guys. So first, when you come to the site, you're going to be able to purchase the ExpressVPN right here in the products page. And by the way, guys, if you are interested in purchasing the ExpressVPN after this video is done, I'll leave a link where you guys could actually purchase it down below, and directly takes you to the purchase page. So guys, basically, as you can see, they've got all these apps for ExpressVPN, so it's supported on a lot of different devices. You know, if you got Windows, Android, it's pretty much all the major stuff you can use ExpressVPN on, so that's great. That's a great feature right there. It shows you all how to download it very easily, and they've got this kind of encryption, unlimited bandwidth, and the cool thing is also they've got a 30-day money-back guarantee, so that's pretty sweet. So if you're thinking about getting your money back and you don't like the VPN anymore, you could easily enough do that. So yeah, guys, basically the way you purchase it is you go to Products, Windows, and then you just come here and then purchase it. Click that, get ExpressVPN, and as you guys can see, here is the prices. You know, we've got 1 month, $12.95, so that is a little bit expensive, but as you guys take it to a longer duration, so if you take it to a full year, the price goes down significantly per month. Me though, I'm kind of more of like a 1 month kind of guy. I don't like to commit to long packages like that. But if you guys are looking to save money and you've made up your mind that you really want ExpressVPN, then go ahead, by all means. You can go ahead and get the longer duration. Then guys, you have these preferred methods of payments. You know, you could also pay with Bitcoin if you want to stay secure and you don't want anyone to know your identity. You can go ahead and do that. I just paid with PayPal though. But yeah, guys, so now that I showed you all the website, I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the application and show you guys how it runs on the computer, on my Windows computer, guys. And let's go ahead and do that right now. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right onto it. Alright guys, so now I've got the application open, guys. So this is what it looks like, ExpressVPN. As you can see, it's a very simple program to use already just by looking at it. And yeah, guys, so it's very simple to connect. So as you guys can see here, we've got the connection button right here. And you've got your location, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. So as you guys could see, we've got a few locations. They've got a bunch of servers to connect to, and they've got a recommended page, and then there's an all locations. So I would suggest using the recommended because they're recommended for a reason. But you know, we've got other ones here, but I'm just gonna go ahead and connect up to the Netherlands one. So let me open up my program. Okay guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and connect to it. So click the button. As you guys can see, it's connecting right now. And then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my IP address and show you that it's actually working on Google Chrome. And yeah, guys, so now that we've done that, let's go ahead and check out some of the other settings. So we've got, let's go ahead here and go to options. So as you guys can see, here's the general settings. Launch ExpressVPN on Windows Startup, but the one that's very important in my opinion is this one right here, split tunneling. So basically what this means is you can pick what you want the VPN to connect to, so what programs you want the ExpressVPN to connect to. Some of you guys might not want it to connect to all your application, all your programs, so you could pick what you want. So for example, if I click on it, I have to disconnect, but yeah, let's go ahead and, so as you guys can see, you could say do not allow selected apps, only allow selected apps, so you could just drag them in here. Click to add an app. So I'm just gonna let all apps use the VPN because I don't really care that much. Also, we've got protocols, so you guys can go ahead and look into that. I'm not very picky when it comes to those kind of strict settings because I just use the VPNs for like the general reasons, you know, like streaming and whatnot. But yeah, guys, also we've got this advanced settings. You can go ahead and check that out if you guys want. But once again, I usually leave it exactly how it is because I don't mess around with it too much. Now, the most important thing, guys, is also there's the speed test. So that's one of the most important things I was going to get into. So I'm going to go ahead and check that out right now, guys. As you can see, the speed test is right here, and it gives you the latency and the download speed. So obviously, it's actually ranked in order from greatest to least. I mean, from highest to lowest. So the download speed is right here, and you can check it out. So we've got 36, 27. So the further we get, obviously it gets lower. I'm based in the US. But yeah, this is really good if you want to choose a VPN that's kind of far from you, but you also want it to have like somewhat decent speeds. So yeah, that's a very good feature, the speed test that they've got here. And wow, look at that, 3 download. That would be so, I don't even know how I would use that. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect back to the Amsterdam VPN, guys, and then I'm gonna go to what is my IP address and show you guys that my IP has actually changed. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Go ahead and reload the page and check it out, guys. As you can see, my IP address is in Amsterdam, in Netherlands, and yeah, guys, so it's good. It's working on Google Chrome. That's sweet. Alright, guys, so that's pretty much it for the VPN review on ExpressVPN, guys. Now, if you have any more questions, let me know in the comments below, and I'll be sure to help you guys out with any questions. Once again, if you would like to purchase the ExpressVPN, the purchase link will be down below in the comments and description, guys. Also, I forgot to mention that I did test this on Netflix, and I was actually able to access Netflix in other countries with this VPN, which is pretty sweet, and the streaming time was pretty good. Like, I mean, the speeds were pretty good, and it was in HD, not much buffering at all. But that might depend on like what server you use, obviously, because some of them have different download speeds. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Hope you all enjoyed this review. Please leave a like, guys, subscribe, share it with anyone else interested in any VPNs, and yeah, guys, I'll catch you all in my next tutorial / review, and peace out.